I'm going to show you how to make $300 to $400 a day by using this copy and paste Google method. Just look at this video that was uploaded 7 days ago from Social Details channel, which posts faceless YouTube videos using Google News and the trending news, and also using bunch of images and voiceover, but it's been viewed 400,000 times, and the channel only had just 8,000 subscribers. So it's possible for everyone to use this method, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do this by using a great AI tool that's going to make this process much easier for you. Okay, the first step is to find a trending news or trending article and just make a video for it so that people can start watching it. So the thing is that we go to Google Trends and just search on the Google Trends for the topic that is really popular right now or trending. So I just come here, trending now, and as we can see, there are different topics here that are really getting lots of attention here. But I'm going just to go to the number 5 here, Inter Miami, and just click this, and also choose one of the articles here. I'm going to choose the second one, Messi scores, but sluggish Inter Miami loses. So this is the article I think this is really popular, and as we can see, there are around 50,000 searches every day for this. So this is very popular topic. So what we do next is we go to NVIDIA here, NVIDIA AI. And as you can see, this is a great tool to make faceless YouTube videos. So we just click create AI video, and here I just copy the topic and paste here. Okay, and then after that, I just go here and generate a video. This AI will analyze this topic and just go and find information around this topic and make the video for us. After some analysis, there is a page here that says, what kind of audience do you have for this? So we're going just to see just a sport fan. And also look and feel of the video. I'm just going to make it like dramatic. And the platform would be YouTube Shorts. Here it's very important that you choose the platform that you want your videos to be made for. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue here. This is how the video is generated for us. Let's have a look.
This is why you need resilience. Even the greatest, like Lionel Messi, face setbacks. But it's not just about the fall, it's about how you get back up. Join us as we break down a nail-biting soccer showdown.
I think it looks really good. Also, you can actually edit this video to make it even better. We can go now to edit here, and we can see that this is the different slides of the video that's created for us. And also what we can do here also is just to change the script, and make it exactly what we want. Maybe we want to add something that is missing here, or just want to make it even better. So this is the way you can do this. And also here we can actually add some real video clips from Messi and Atlanta team. So what you can do is to add some images. For example, we can go to YouTube and search for Inter Miami and also or Atlanta team. When we search for something, we want to download something that can be used in our video without any copyright issue, without any problems in our future videos. So what we do is go to the filter section here at the top, as we can see, and also here we go and choose Creative Commons. So Creative Commons means the videos that we can also use in our videos. So here I think we have some, for example, sections here. For example, imagine that I want to download this video. I just click this, and as you can see here, there is a share button here. So we click this and we copy the link and go to any YouTube video downloader. For example, I search YouTube downloader. You can see there are different links here we can use to download our YouTube videos. So I just click one of them and just paste the link here. And as you paste, you can see that the video can be downloaded in different formats for us and different sizes. So you download that, and here you can use this video by uploading your media here, and you add it here to your video, the real pictures of Messi or Atlanta team, to make your video more appealing to your viewer. Here, if you look at the script here, we click the script here in the top, and you can see that all these text can be edited here. Okay, you can add something you want You can add or you can add some music you want. You can choose any music here by editing music in this section and make it more attractive. So this is the way this video can be done. And after you're done with the video, so I'm just going to discard it as it is. And after you're done, we go to the section here, we click export, okay? And we choose the no watermarks here and select the video AI branding none and the quality, for example, 4K, and then we click export. So here, no watermarks, none here are marked with the paid version. So we have to pay just some monthly payment. So we can say that we can choose stock watermarks, normal, and the quality could be 1080 as well. So after that, the video starts getting exported to your computer. It's really important that you make your YouTube channel focus on only one topic, and even it's better to focus on one specific field. For example, if it's about a sport, it could be about basketball. If it's about soccer, it could be all about soccer. Being niche down exactly to one specific topic, you can attract all the people interested in that specific topic and grow very fast. Now let's look at the exported video together.
Even the greatest, like Lionel Messi, face setbacks. But it's not just about the fall, it's about how you get back up. Join us as we break down a nail-biting soccer showdown. In a match that had everyone on the edge of their seats, Inter Miami faced a determined Atlanta United. Despite a stellar performance for Messi, who netted his 11th goal of the season, it was...
I think it looks really nice with the script being created with AI and the images here. And if you add some of the real Messi and the Suarez and other players who are in the Inter Miami or Atlanta team, you make it even much better. So if you're interested with making money online using AI, check the other videos I've created here. And until next video, take care, goodbye.